Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Mom Projects. In this video, I would like to show you how to make a storage box. And the bonus point, it smells amazing. The inspiration to this video was this candle that I bought at IKEA. It did come without a wick, so I didn't want to waste it and I decided to make something out of it. To scrape out the wax easily, make sure the room temperature is high enough. This is an old shopping bag and I just loved the message on it. It was easy to cut and it was perfect for this project. I applied the wax with a tissue paper and I gently massaged it in. Depending on how intense you want your smell to be, you want to apply more or less. For this project, I used about 2 teaspoons. This will not only make the paper smell very good, it will also make it water resistant. I wanted to get the whole message on one box, so I decided to cut this in 2 pieces. Here I'm trying to make a plan of how my box will look like, and of course how much every side will measure. This is also helpful to get the perfect measurements for the lining of the box. Here I'm cutting the pattern in half to make it easier and faster to cut the fabric. Don't forget to double fold your fabric. All I need to do is trace the measurements right onto the fabric and then cut it out. The reason why the paper is longer is because I will cover 2 sides with it. Sewing the lining together is really easy. You just pin it in place, and I would recommend to start sewing from the corner to the upper part. I have ironed the ends to get a nice hem. Even though this was very thick paper, I opted for a longer stitch. In order to make the box sturdier, I decided to create some inlays made of cardboard. And to put them in place, I used just regular paper glue. And the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you got inspired.